Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kaka Claire and welcome. If it's your first time here, click the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, say what? Let's get into this video. So, right now I have this. Yes. I have the black castor oil. I have some water and a comb, and I'm going to show you guys the problem that I have. So I am going for my friend's wedding meeting. It's the first wedding. It's a wedding launch actually. I'm going for my friend's wedding launch, and I really need to just figure out what to do with my hair. So I'm going to first show you guys, and I also need us to like track my journey with these videos. So I hope I can become consistent with what I'm saying. So this right here is my hair. So I don't know if you guys can see here. See? See? So what happened here is I plaited hair. Okay, I had dreads, and then after having dreads I plaited my hair, and these plucked out. These two plucked out, and they plucked out with all the hair. What I had done is I had during the plaiting, this hair was already too little because of the dread damage. So my hair person used thread here, and the hair just, I mean, I don't know who I don't want to cast blame, like who did what, but I just want to fix it. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to have my natural hair out for quite some time. Yeah, for quite some time is the best way to express it. So this, what I did is I had twists yesterday. I had like made twists, and then I just twisted them out. So I'm just going to try and hold the hair like this. I wanted to do this, but I don't know if I'll look nice. Like I wanted to do a high puff, but I don't know if it will look nice really. I mean, it might, because I had that ramshackle hair yesterday, and if it doesn't work out, I am dead. Like, I'm literally dead. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to first leave this hair in front. I'm going to first like comb this and see, but this doesn't settle anymore. Guys, I literally do not know what to do with this hair right now. Because this, I'd want it to be like this, but because I've been save me, Mother Mary. You said never let me go. 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 You said I don't want to use gel. I know gel would give me a better look, but I really don't want to gel my hair. I mean, it's already facing so many problems. I don't want gel to be one of those. So I'm just going to oil. I'm going to oil the top. Like that. Now we pray. Okay, friends, you know the next step? I call that step intercession. I'm going to just put some more at the back. Sorry. That is okay already. How does it look from there, guys? If you guys have lied to me that it looks nice and it doesn't, then shame upon you. Shame upon you guys. And just hope. No hair. Whew. Praise Jesus. So now the next part is just making it look longer.
You said never let me go.